Assalamualaikum, welcome to Banglamma. This is a quick and easy recipe for busy mums. So I have made this pastry and froze it, so layer after layer, so it doesn't stack to each other. Now it's frozen. I can put it together into a bag or a container and only fry it whenever I need it. This is called nuner ghora, and I will show you how easy to make. Let's get started. First of all, I have lentils pre-soaked for about half an hour, and then goes in a cooker, washed with not much water, but this amount of water. Add 2 onions, chopped 2 onions, garlic and ginger paste, salt and oil. After 20 minutes of cooking, the lentils is ready, and I would add spices. This is optional, you can just add turmeric, but I'm adding green chilies, turmeric and coriander powder. Now I will mix it together and then use a hand blender to blend the mush. Now the gravy mixture is ready, and adding 750 grams of rice flour. Add small quantity at a time so it's not too runny, and leave it to cook for another 15 minutes in a low flame. And now I'm transferring into a tray to let it cool down before I start kneading. It really needs about 15 minutes of kneading. This is the hard bit. So keep kneading until it's into a soft ball. Using small quantity of rice flour, now I will knead once more and then roll using rolling pin. Okay, I will show you one more time how I've done that. So a bowl, and take a rolling pin and then roll. It doesn't have to be perfect because you're going to cut with using a pastry cutter. So it doesn't have to be gold, round. That's it. A thick. The secret is to have a thick, so it's not too thin. Otherwise, it's going to break if you when you fry it in oil. So that's once all of this done, just lay it on tray using aluminium foil, because one shouldn't touch another while it's freezing. So leave it in the freezer, and after about 2-3 hours it will be like this. And now it won't stuck to each other. You can put it into a tray, bowl or a resealable bags, and leave it in the freezer and fry it whenever you need to, when you have a guest coming in or when you have tea time snacks. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.